Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm jumping on the train, the BR Turner train, and I'm doing a little puddle pour with a cute little ball. So I think the Mossy Art boys called this the pinball technique. So I thought with a pinball you have walls. So I put up some walls. So my base I'm using is titanium white by from Bleiswijck. The colors I'm using are going to be a primary yellow, magenta, turquoise, brilliant green, and a dirty one, nude. So I'm actually letting the numbers of the paints decide what my puddles are going to look like. So the first one is number 6, and that's yellow. Then number 13 is magenta. Number 35, turquoise. Number 50, brilliant green. And the dirty last, number 85, nude. So this is actually a bowl out of a deodorant. So it's quite light, so I'm hoping it's going to be heavy enough to move the paint. But let's just... Okay, so... Plop. Let's see if it wants to roll. And let's tilt this one. Okay, well, I think it looks pretty good. I like it. The bowl I used was a little bit light. I did make my paints thinner. So let's see how this one dries, and I'll show you the dry results. Thank you for watching. Bye everyone! So I just wanted to show you what I do with my table. So I just get the paint off, put in a little cup, and in this case I got a really nice green. And I can use it as a base or in a different pour. I just don't like spilling paint. Well, spilling it on my table, but not wasting it.